and it's under the bridge. And thereafter we continued and we were shown the house of Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu, where it used to be. So alhamdulillah brothers, this is the area that we are in. Uh, the building that you see behind near the Haram, this was the house of Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu. Above here there's a musalla, which is also known as the musalla of Abu Bakr. They have kept it for that same reason. So the Prophet ﷺ, when he walked from the house of Khadija radiallahu anha. On the way under the bridge is known as the house of Darul Arqam, where the first dawah took place. The first madrasa is also known. And Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu's house was here. When the Prophet ﷺ came here, they continued the journey behind the house of Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu, going towards the Mount of Thawr. And we all know in the cave of Thawr, the Prophet ﷺ stayed there for 3 days. And there was a guide by the name of Abdullah bin Urayqid, who was a non-Muslim. The Prophet ﷺ and Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu had made an agreement with him that he should wait with the camels by the Mount of Thawr on the western side. After 3 days they will come and they will continue this journey. The route that the Prophet ﷺ took was not a normal highway at that time. It was a normal caravan. It wasn't a normal caravan route. It was a very strange route. And the Prophet ﷺ remained at the cave of Thawr for 3 days under the plan that now the Quraysh of Makkah will stop looking for the Prophet ﷺ, and they would have already had traveled by far in 3 days. So after 3 days, when the search will settle, they will continue the journey. So from the house of Abu Bakr, inshallah tomorrow, we will continue our journey from here towards the cave, the Mount of Thawr, and thereafter inshallah we will continue the walk towards Medina.